How to make and receive calls on MacBook. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, make sure that your Mac and iPhone are signed in into the same Apple ID account. And once done so, simply open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Apps option available in there. Once you tap on the apps, all you have to do is look for the phone app option available in there and simply tap on the phone app. Then once you tap on the phone app, you can see calls on other devices. Simply tap on it. Then simply turn on the allow calls on other devices option available there, and under allow calls on, toggle on your Mac when it appears. This lets your Mac use your iPhone cellular connection for calls. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.